Hi there, let's go for a quick one, and this is something people seem to enjoy watching. I do as well. What did people buy on the random online store? And this is just random stuff. I bought it myself on some online shopping site and I paid for it myself. So no sponsorships or other things like that. Let's just break into it. I have two packages here, a big one and a small one. Let's do the small one first. And let's see here what I can get into that. And this is very exciting. It's a bag of desiccant bags. Do not eat. So okay, fair enough. These are for the 3D printer. I'll just have them in the AMS material changer so that things go quite well there. So let's see this big package. And this one, it actually does have quite a lot of stuff inside it. So let's see here. And it's always like a gift or early Christmas when you get a package of different random stuff here. Well, let us see. And this is like an adjustable LED kit apparently. And I think this is LEDs for the bamboo LED 001 style kit LEDs. They look like this. And these are RGB ones with a remote. I'll show you what it looks like. So this is something you put into a 3D printer project, something like this. And this is just a simpler version with only warm and cold white LEDs. And you can go in here and you can turn the lights on. And in this case it shines green, but that's just because the box is green. And these ones, hopefully, are then gonna be RGB. And I love this. I love making light stuff with 3D printing. It makes for good Christmas gifts as well. So yeah, it just goes directly into color fading. And hopefully with the remote, which has a small tab for the battery here, you can go in there and yeah, you can set the color. You probably don't see that too well. Like so. Yeah, so I can switch different colors on this one, like normal cheapo RGBs, and you can also dim it. It seems like it's only one big LED in the center, while the other one I have here, that one is a ring of LEDs, so it will give more spread out light. So yeah, not too happy with these, but they're also pretty cheap. I can't remember what I paid for them, but these prices fluctuate every day, so giving a price wouldn't really matter very much anyway. So I bought 5 of these, I think. Pack of 5, and yes, I have 1, 2, 3. No, I bought a pack of 3 of those. At least that's what I've gotten. I have to check that later, but so that was the first package. Let's see what's in this other one. And this is a mystery one because it doesn't tell me what's in here. Like so. This is a small silicone mat for like solder work and so on to have on this desk, because it's getting quite a few scratches in it, and this is my main eating table as well, so nice to have. And it's just a small mat. It doesn't really take up much space, and I think this was like $2 or something. It is significantly thinner than I thought. This can't be more than like a millimeter or 2 thick, but it seems sturdy enough and somewhat non-slip. So yeah, 300 by 200 millimeters. So that's at least some. I would actually like to have one for the entire hair, but they were much more expensive, of course. So yeah, nice to have. Then we have a mystery green one, and this one has my address on the other side. So let's just open that. And this has 2 battery packs, and these are for BBC microbits, which I have in here. So for some reason, when I bought my microbits, I only bought the card itself. I didn't buy any accessories to it. So these are simply AAA battery things that go in here on the back, and you can then put that in here, and that will power on the microbit when you're not using it, or when you're using it, then you can put it into like a remote control or stuff like that. So simple little thing, also really cheap, probably not original, but I really do not care. And then we have this one, which is a outdoor light, and that is something I'm planning to take apart actually. So this is one of these strip lights. They're just small like strings with blobs with LEDs on it and solar on here, and I can then turn it on, and there's some modes here as well. Turn it upside down here probably helps to turn off the light as well, like so. I'm turning off all the lights. You can see it has some, apparently has some blinking on off, static on, half of them blinking and so on. What I actually want to do with this is I want to change this into a small power module for LoRaWAN, for a LoRaWAN card, a high-tech transceiver. And yeah, that's it also comes with like a peg, so you can just put it into the ground like this. Not sure if I'm gonna use it, but this could be like if you zip tie this to a tree and have this high up in a tree somewhere, and then have some, not sure about how much battery will be in here, or if you can actually run that and bypass the power on off when the sun is off. But yeah, interesting little project video going forward at least. So yeah, that was my little haul here from a dodgy online Chinese web store, and hope you enjoyed it. Not gonna make too much of that content, but some people actually requested it, and as I said before, everything here is stuff I bought myself. There's no sponsorships or stuff like that. Thank you very much for watching. 7-3.